Good girl. All kinds of veggies. Broccoli, corn, peas, spinach, kale, carrots, sprouts, bell pepper, just all kinds. There's chopped apple, raspberries, blueberries, garbanzo beans, and so that's bird food, you guys. You guys gotta feed birds fresh veggies and fruits, light on the fruits. And this is sweet potato, so this is good for them too. Also eggs, oatmeal. Yeah, it's not just seeds, you guys. Seeds and nuts. There's a whole bunch of shit they need for their diet to get beautiful feathers, to be happy. And this is daily work, man. This is hard work.